Hi, I'm Kiara Advani and today I'm going to share with you all my fitness and diet secrets. Okay, I am a blessed soul. I'd like to believe that. But can I eat everything and get away with it? Not completely. Somewhere at some point it's going to show. And for me, the first place it comes is my face. So I know when I've cheated, I need to go for a run the next day. For my health, well, my morning ritual is pretty simple. It's at the minute I wake up and after I brush my teeth and all of that, I like to have a cup of warm water with lemon in it. It's the best thing, it detoxifies everything and cleanses your system, and you're ready for breakfast. So for breakfast, I like to have my oats with a few fruits. I usually put apples, but sometimes if berries are in season, then I like to add strawberries, blueberries, sometimes oranges. But yeah, I keep it light and I put a lot of fiber and carbs into it so that I'm ready for my workout and I have energy to go and work out. Am I an early riser or a night owl? I think I'm an early riser. Okay, my favorite meal of the day is my pre-workout snack in the afternoon, which is apples, like slices of apples with peanut butter. I have a tablespoon of peanut butter and I use it as a dip with my apple. And it's the best pre-workout snack for me, and I wait for my 3:30, 4 o'clock meal, which is this. I like to work out the minute I wake up, not the minute I wake up, but in the morning, an hour or two after I wake up maybe, but I prefer doing it in the morning so that you have the whole day, you feel fresh, you feel ready to take on the day, and then you also have the whole day free for yourself. But if I have time in the evening, sometimes I go twice a day. I work out every day. I think it's very important to do some sort of physical activity every day. If I am taking a break from the gym or boxing or any of that in a week, then I love dancing. That's another great form of cardio, I would say, and at the same time it's just so much fun. I usually time my workout in such a way that I go back home and I work out just before having lunch. So I usually eat my lunch by 12:30. So if I'm working out at 11 for an hour and a half, then I'm back home at 12:30 to eat lunch. So currently I'm obsessed with boxing. It's my favorite workout. So I do a lot of kickboxing. I do a lot of functional training. I don't like weights. So I like using my own body and my own body weights and the box jump and squats and push-ups and everything to strengthen my own body, and I know that's the best way to get your core strength as well. And I love going for my runs in the evening. When we're traveling for a shoot, then everything from food to working out is on just the way it was before I left. But when I'm on holiday with my family and everything, I think the best thing to do, I can't not eat because everyone is, you'll try eating healthy, and of course you can cut down here and there, but you're still eating out all the time no matter what you say. So the best thing to do is just walk. So wherever you're going, instead of taking a cab or instead of getting onto any public transport.
I am. I try to not eat much, but I can eat anything I want, and I have been 50 kgs for the past 5 years of my life, and I've not gone one up or one down, so I'm pretty okay. For my health, I wake up and I have garam pani with nimbu. It apparently helps with acidity and also like flushes toxins, so that's what I do when I wake up, the first thing that I have. So I don't eat breakfast. I eat lunch, and I eat a heavy lunch. So usually what's made at home, like vegetables and one roti and some dahi, or if I'm out on the go, then I pick up a salad, and that's what I have for lunch. And dinner is like king size. I cannot even tell you. I have like I go out every night for dinner, so either sushi, either Japanese, Asian food, and then I starve for 15 hours and then I start again. So I have like this, my last meal ends at around 11 o'clock and my next meal begins at 3 p.m. next day. Night out, night out, night out. My favorite meal of the day has to be dinner, because I go try out new restaurants almost every day, and it's just yum to taste all kinds of food, and thankfully I'm blessed, so I don't have to worry about weight issues and I can eat anything I want. Asian, I love Asian food. I love sushi. I love noodles and Thai curries and all of that. Like there's so much कहते हैं ना स्वाद है उसमें. There's like so much taste in Asian food. What time of the day is the best to work out? So I like working out on empty stomach, That means morning for me. Morning as in around 11:30 is my morning. I just drink a protein shake after my workout. I don't really have a meal as such that I eat after a workout. So I have a extreme milk chocolate protein shake. So as you all know, I love Asian food, but if I know that there's a shoot coming up, I avoid having Asian food because that has a lot of salt in it. Salt has water retention properties, which makes you look a little puffy. So that's what I avoid, and I go the European way or the Italian way and eat like a grilled chicken or something like that, like as healthy as possible. Strict no-nos in my diet are no palak, no spinach, and no methi. I'm allergic to methi. Namaste in bed. My favorite form of exercise is cycling. I love cycling, and now the weather in Bombay is amazing. So every evening at around 7 o'clock, 7 to 8, you will find me cycling on the back road in Lokhandwala. Catch me there. Healthiest alcoholic drink? I think gin and tonic. I think that has the least calories if I'm not mistaken. My favorite healthy munchie is almonds. I love munching on almonds. You know, they're crispy and everything, and then you are eating healthy also. So I have tried this diet called the General Motors diet, GM diet. Please don't do it. Please, I beg you guys, don't ever try it. So the first day is fruits. That's fine. The second day is vegetables. That's fine with a headache. The third day is fruits and vegetables. You have a headache, you're just groggy, you're just annoyed with the whole world around you. And yes, you do lose like around 1 or 2 kgs in a week, but you gain double back after that. So do not do that diet, guys. So what I do is, like I said, this lifestyle change that I've done is I eat my last meal anyhow by 11 o'clock, and I do not touch anything till 2 o'clock in the afternoon or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's also called intermediate fasting, which helps you stay fit, stay in shape. And honestly, I don't feel like eating when I wake up, so it just works in my benefit.
Hi guys, this is Janvi Kapoor and I'm going to tell you all what I eat in a day. I think so because I was trying to put on weight for my film and I kept eating and I wasn't putting on weight. So now I eat like a beast, but I get paranoid, so I work out like extra to make sure I don't put on the weight. I have a spoon of ghee. Parathas with dahi. Lunch I'll have parathas with paneer makhni, dal makhni, bhindi, Gujarati dal, methi dal and palak paneer. I recently turned veg. Today I had fish though. Dinner I like to keep it light, so I'll have red rice biryani. Yeah, I love chocolates. I love ice creams. I love ice creams. Depends what time I'm up till. When there's night shoot, I keep eating the full night to keep myself